Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing. It won't be a quick unboxing. I have a 6 pound worth of tackle that Uncle Mo's tackle sent me. They also go by UMT, Uncle Mo's tackle. You guys could Google this or search on Amazon. I have some other review videos for slow pitch jigs. Very comparable or even better quality wise and the price wise compared to Nomad. So I remember when Nomad was unknown in the stateside and I used to get them for much cheaper, for half the price back in Japan and Korea as an import. And now I feel like this tackle shop, Uncle Mo's Tackle, could be the future of the East Coast and West Coast fishing. And again, it's a small business, US owned, so definitely check it out. You guys, if you guys want to support the local businesses, local small businesses from Brooklyn, New York. So I'll do an unboxing video for now, and then followed by reviews on each of the tackles later. So it'll be a couple videos, but they were very nice enough to they saw my videos and they decided to send me the sample. So just to be full transparent, this was not purchased, but these were, most of them I already owned. So these are extra that I'll probably give away. So if you guys are in East Coast, Delaware, fishing out of Fisherman's Wharf or Captain Bob's, or out of Ocean City, Maryland on Ocean Princess, which I'll be going next weekend, or maybe on Anglers. And if you guys recognize me with my tackles and my voice, and come in, talk to me, and I'll be happy to give away some of these tackles that I have that I'm unboxing today. And I plan to share most of them with the captain and the deckhand. So again, I already paid with my own money most of them. These are the stuff that I'll probably give away and also review later on. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So something that I've noticed with Uncle Mo's tackle is they're not only really affordable, I'll say it's a very good cheap price. So I thought the product would be somewhat low quality, but the quality control and overall quality is just excellent, right? It's definitely comparable to the high-end tackles that you would pay a lot for, like Nomad and other companies. But here's what they sent me: bait holder and inline. These are some of the products that they sell. Here's a circle hook. I checked it out. I'll do a comparison with the high-end expensive one and tell you how it is on my next video. X8 braid. So yeah, they're not selling these cheap stuff. These are braid that are high-end and then designed in the US, quality performance, 30 pound. And again, I'll do a comparison video later for the braid. And here's another one. This one is a freshwater and saltwater. This one is for freshwater and saltwater too. What's the difference? This is 10 pound, 30 pound. They're both designed in the US. What else did he send me? Here's a talk fishing rig. Very nice. So if you don't know how to make your own talk fishing, or if you're a first timer, check it out. They have a pre-made ones already nicely packaged, ready to go. Here's a nice sand eel. So if you guys are not tracking, haven't fished lately, sand eel is what most of the sea bass are spitting out, especially in Ocean City and Delaware fishing. So make sure to have one of these. Anything that replicates something like this that black sea bass will recognize as a sand eel, they'll be very aggressively pursuing it. Very nice. Sea bass rig as well. They're all hand tied. £80 swivel. So again, like I said, they use a high quality hook and high quality, just material wise, Uncle Mo's will not disappoint you. So these are, I bought bulk of these. So I already owned about 20 of these right here. And if you haven't seen my video compared to Nomad, these guys are, I think, very similar or even high quality. They even have a little UMT on here. As well as the hooks are pretty good hooks. I mean, they could get better, but for the price of it, if you buy a bulk of 10, you could own one of these for about $3.95, give and take, depending on which state you live in. Without tax, you could get it for about $3.90, something like that, which compared to a $12 Nomad or $8 or $10 slow pitch jigs that you could buy, I would definitely recommend this one. Here's another nice sand eel model. Another nice one. These are 60 grams for shallower water. Wow, they sent me a lot. Sea bass rigs. Definitely needed some of these. Unclemotackle tackle and tag frozen. Another sand eel. Wow. 40-gram sand eel. So if you're wondering, depending on 40, 60, 80 gram, these are all based on the condition of the water. So where you're fishing. So if you are fishing in a shallow water, you would want to use this. If there's a heavy drift, you want to use something heavier. If you're going into a deeper it gets, heavier jigs you're going to want. Usually around 100, most fishing for sea bass will, especially in the fall, will be anywhere from, I don't know, 80, at least 60 to 100 feet or deeper. So this probably wouldn't work. But if there is no drift at all, 40 grams. And if you know how to jig properly, you could probably use these. 60 gram turnover. unclemotackle.com. Definitely check it out. Another sand eel. They sent me some extra to give out to the deckhands and captains on the boat. So I'll probably give out some to, again, I'll be on Ocean Princess next week for 10 hours. So I'll be giving these out for those that recognize me from my channel. Most definitely come over and talk to me, and I'll have a handful of these and I'll give it out to you guys to check it out. Sand eel. Yeah, you want to get as many sand eel type of jigs to use for this fall. I mean, all the sea bass are spitting out sand eels right now. Maryland and Delaware. Here's some heavier. It says tuna riser jig series, but these definitely work on sea bass as well. 120 grams. So if you're fishing off around 100 feet, 90 feet or over, one of these will work perfectly. These are 200, so this will work in a deeper offshore fishing. Offshore, not offshore. And for those that are not tracking, one of these heavier ones that are more like a pencil jig will get down to the bottom faster than one of these flat ones. So keep that in mind. Very nice. Nice little D-hooker. D-hooker for fishing. So if you have any trouble D-hooking, Check out their channel. I think they have many videos. Uncle Mo's Tackle channel. They have many videos that show you how to unhook this. If you have trouble unhooking fish and you're always waiting on a deckhand to help you, check out one of these guys. Here's a glove. Nice. She sent me 2. I'll give one to my buddy. And wow, another 200 gram. Another little. This one is sand eel. So when I go on a 12-hour fishing, I'll definitely take these out for 12-hour fishing. Can't wait to use it and share the videos with you guys. And I think that's about it. Wow. Again, thanks to Uncle Mo's Tackle for sending me these tackle product. They're a sample of their products that they're selling. So go definitely check it out. Again, if you trust me, I've been using Nomad at least 5 years ago or so, when most people were unaware of it. And I feel like UMT has a lot of potential. Uncle Mo's Tackle has a lot of potential, especially in the East Coast. If you're barracuda fishing, tuna fishing, these will definitely work for you guys as well. So definitely check it out. One of these will definitely work for sand bass, calico bass as well. It's very light, so it will sink very slowly for calico bass. So if you're in the West Coast as well, fishing out of California, definitely check out their tackle shop. They ship very fast. I think all of my stuff came. If you live in the East Coast, you'll get it within a day or two. About give and take 2 or 3 days. If you're in the West Coast, it might take a little bit longer. But yeah, get it from Amazon if you can, or just go straight to their website. Again, thanks for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. I'll have more video on in-depth review of each of these tackle, along with actually using it on my fishing trips. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.